It is another lovely day in Iridesia. Here, the magical unicorns live and learn and play in a grand castle. They call it the Castle of Lights. And oh, what do we have here? Isn't it Sunny the yellow unicorn? Let's see what Sunny is doing.
Sunny, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm just walking around.
You know you should be resting. You just got a cold a few days ago.
But now I feel fine. I want to go out and meet my friends.
No, you should not. You should stay indoors.
Hello, Maya. Hello, Sunny.
Hello, Sky.
Sunny, what are you doing up and about? Where are you going?
I am just bored. I am 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 bored.
Sunny? Why is she rolling on the floor?
She looks upset. Well, Sunny, we understand that you're upset because you are stuck indoors. But just because you are indoors doesn't mean you can't have fun.
True. Listen, I know tons of ways to have fun indoors. Staying indoors can be fun. Yeah, staying indoors can be fun. You can read books, learn something new, or watch movies. They'll be good too. Staying indoors can be fun. Yeah, learning new things can be fun. Cook some things, try some new stuffs, or exercise, keep you healthy and tough. Staying indoors can be fun. Yeah, active indoors can be fun. You can play games with cards or online. Contact your friends and have a good time. Staying indoors can be fun. Yeah, staying indoors can be fun.
Still bored, Sunny?
No, I am having fun.
See, you can have fun even if you're indoors. There are so many things to do indoors. And with a bit of imagination, you can do anything.
We can even call your friends with a magic mirror.
No, I actually want to do something else.
What is it?
Rolling around! I love rolling, 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 I love rolling.
Well, she looks like she is enjoying herself now.
Maybe we should tell her how to roll quietly next time, because it's a bit noisy.
Hi everyone, I'm Periwinkle, the Rainbow Fairy. Did you remember what did Sunny do when she felt bored just now? A. Sleeping, B. Rolling, or C. Eating? Yes, she rolled on the floor. Well, what about you? What do you think you can do to have fun even when you're stuck indoors? A. Play board games, B. Crying, or C. Sleeping? Yes, you're right. Play board games can be so fun. Well, besides playing board games, you could do some drawings too. Can you tell me which one is a set of crayons? Yes, you have such good eyes. It's C. Well done! Hooray! Well, everyone, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you again next episode because the magical unicorns would love to see you again. Bye-bye!